Tips on succeeding with your affiliate marketing. If you think you've found a great product online that other people might want, you may find your calling with affiliate marketing. If you are able to drive customers to purchase a company's product, you will earn a healthy commission and perhaps even find a permanent career. Follow the advice in this video and you will learn that marketing is a lot easier than it sounds. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to consider the needs of your site's audience. You want to select a product that is relevant to your readers, otherwise it will make you appear like a con artist that is just after their money. Focus on your niche market and recommend only products and services that are relevant to them, and they will be more likely to follow links and buy. Record a high-quality video where you demonstrate an affiliate product, then upload it to YouTube along with your affiliate link. YouTube is a great source for potential buyers, and if you provide an informative video about a product, people will be more inclined to buy the product through your affiliate link. Now that you've learned some sound advice about affiliate marketing, you can begin to develop your campaign and to reach out to your targeted audience. Things may go a little slowly at first, but as long as you're sticking to a solid plan, you will eventually pull in the traffic you're after and ultimately start earning commissions. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.